Hey guys, and welcome back to Inside Investing, and today we're going to be discussing with you how to maximize your profits by keeping your commissions that you need to pay to your broker as low as possible. Because actually the DEGIRO that we use, the broker that we use, has a very easy way of maximizing our profits and keeping those commission fees as low as possible. So in today's video, we're going to quickly show you how you can find out if your ETF or the stock that you want to trade is commission free and how to really maximize your profit in that way. So guys, I've quickly opened the DEGIRO website that you can currently see on screen. So this is just the homepage of the DEGIRO. In here you see, well, start investing now. Of course, you want to start investing as soon as possible. So if you haven't done so already, then start investing now, create an account. We have already a different video on how to really set up your account. So if you want to see that as well, then also subscribe to make sure that you get the newest content. But we've made a video about how to create your account, and you can find that linked in the comments below. So guys, let's have a quick look. So we scroll down and there we go. So we see our 4 most traded commission-free ETFs. This is what we want. We want to trade ETFs commission-free. This allows us to really maximize the profits because we're keeping the costs as low as possible. And we're doing that using the commission-free ETF. So if you're looking for an ETF, please make sure that it's commission free, because that really, especially if you're going to be buying it multiple times, so let's say every month for the upcoming 15 years or whatever, if you then need to pay so much commission, although it can still be a very low percentage, so it might just be a few cents every trade that you make, still in the long run, over a couple of months and years and decades, that commission that you're paying is going to really minimize and really impact the profit that you're going to be having. So please make sure that it's commission free, and we're going to show you now how you can find out. So these are the 4 most traded ETFs by our clients, so by the clients of the DEGIRO during 2020, are either from Vanguard or iShares and are either invested in the global stocks or the S&P 500. And as we know, we like both of this, right? We like the global stocks and we like the S&P 500. We've made multiple videos about why we really like the S&P 500 and also the global stocks. If we really want to invest in the global world economy, and that's very easy to do. And if we then do it even commission free, that really maximizes our profit, guys. So let's have a look. So we've got iShares MSCI World. We've got Vanguard FTSE All World. Well, we know this one. This is the VWRL. So this is the one that we really like, honestly. Then we've got Vanguard S&P 500. We also have this one. And then we've got the iShares S&P 500. So you see, these are the most traded commission-free ETFs from the DEGIRO, and it's, I think, very clear why these are the top performers and really the stocks that you and the ETFs that you really want to buy as well. So let's see our full core selection list. The table below lists our commission-free ETFs. These are the popular ones among our investors, and we made sure to include different sectors and regions to give you a wide range of options. Thanks for that. We really appreciate this. We really want to. And we've also seen that, by the way, during our other videos, that there are indeed so many ETFs that you can choose from, all commission free. So I would say mission accomplished on this part. You can also find plenty of ETFs with high ESG, for example, environment, society. Yeah, that's the rating itself, my bad. That's a high ESG ratings. So let's have a look at this. So you can, I think this is nice and interactive. So we see here a full list of, I don't know how many pages of ETFs that we can trade in. We can ease it down a little bit. So let's see, we want the region to be worldwide, right? So we want the coverage of the ETF to be worldwide. We want the expense ratio. Yeah, I would say preferably lower than 0.2%. That's the best, but I would also say that 0.5 is okay. And then the ESG score. So let's put on a AAA and AA, and you can find that right here what the ESG rating means. So I'm going to read it for you. This is the MSCI ESG rating, which is designed to measure companies' resilience to long-term industry, material, environmental, social, and governance risks. Ranges from a leader, so that's AAA and AA, average A, triple B and double B to the last one, which is B and a triple C. I think we can also put A in for that matter. I think honestly it shouldn't matter too much, but at least it's nice that you have this filtering option, especially if you're looking for a very specific ETF. And now we can also select popular exchanges. I would say it doesn't matter for me too much. I think for us that's fine. We don't need any specific markets or exchanges to be selected right here. And now this really allows us to see what are the different ETFs, and these are all commission free. So this is part of the full core selection list, which is commission free. So this is the full list of commission free ETFs. So we can see something traded on the Euronext in Paris, the mid price. We've got some US Treasury 20 plus years bond indexes. So a lot of different ETFs that we can select right here. Of course, what you need to do if you want to look, if you want to find out more about one specific ETF, you can just click on it, and that will then give you a little bit more details about the specific ETF that you're looking for. So I guess that's always very nice. So this really gives you some more detailed information if you're looking for that, of course, if you're looking for a bit more specific stuff. And then let's have a look, because DEGIRO also, of course, has the most popular commission-free ETFs from 2020. Let's see what they're writing here. So this is from, a little bit outdated perhaps, but I would also say that overall, this is mainly for long-term investors. So I would not expect this to change year on year end. So it doesn't, like, this is not something you need to check every day or so, right? It's just long-term investing. So you select a few ETFs that are within the preference that you have, and then in the long run that should cover what you are looking for. So in this case, it doesn't matter too much that it's from 24th of December last year. ETFs have the trading behavior and liquidity of stocks on the market, allowing for easy buying and selling. Yeah, that's definitely true. The most traded ETFs. So these are the 4 most traded ETFs by our clients during 2020 and are either from Vanguard or iShares. So these are again S&P500, VWRL, MSCI All World from iShares, and the S&P 500 from iShares. And here you can also see the issuer cost, 0.07, 0.07, 0.2 and 0.22. So that's all very good. Rather invest in your local or European stocks. That's also possible. So we see iShares Euro Stocks 50. This tracker aims to reflect the return of the Euro Stocks 50 index. So that's, I think, very cool. So these are the 50 largest companies in the Eurozone. And again, you can find more information about that right there. And then also FTSE 100. So this is FTSE 100 index from the 100 largest UK traded, the 100 largest UK companies trading on the London Stock Exchange. Yeah, exactly. And then the issuer cost is around 0.07 again, and they're 0.1. So these are the 4 biggest, at least these are the 4 biggest traded ETFs, the most traded ETFs, and these are the local or European stocks. So I think it's very nice. You can also just have a look at the knowledge section. There's a lot of different information to be found here. We also learned quite a lot about investing, and it's very easy. So please have a look at DEGIRO, of course. And if you want to start an investment account at DEGIRO, then definitely use the link down in the comments below. And then the last one, this is, we've downloaded this PDF from DEGIRO itself. So this is the commission-free ETFs listing. So these are all of the listings, they're down below, all of the ETFs that you can really buy commission-free. And then it's important, of course, to know what does commission-free means. And you can find that exactly here. So the transaction is in the same direction, buy, sell as the first transaction that month. Oh no, my bad. Let's see, I need to read this a little bit better, my bad. So I think what it means overall is that, yes, you could, the first one is going to be without any fees. Oh, you can see it right here. So examples. So the first transaction, if you buy for $7.50, you don't pay any fees. And then the second transaction you buy and it's €1,000, then also you don't buy any fees. But then afterwards, if you're buying for 750, then yes, you are buying fees. And also for the one where you're buying for €1,000, you're paying the fees. And then in the new month, you sell them. But that's exactly the same, but then with selling. So first two, no, you're not paying fees. For the second two, yes, you are paying fees. And then in this case, if the first one is then buying for 750, then you're not paying fees, but then afterwards you're selling instead of buying. So then, yes, you are paying fees, and then you're going back to buying again. So yes, you're paying fees, and yes, you're paying fees. So it's especially about the first transaction, I would say, that you're doing for this specific ETF on the list below, on this big list. On the first transaction that you do, the first buy or sell order you make, you're not paying any fees. And this is also what we're doing every month. So every month we're at least using this way as well to buy more shares. And as you see, these are, I don't know how many pages, I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think around 4 or 5 pages of ETFs that you can really buy into. So we also see cybersecurity, robotics, let's see, S&P 500, of course, focus on specific countries such as Brazil, China, and digital security. We also own one share of that. You'll see that, by the way, in the new portfolio update that we're going to be releasing somewhere early September. So then you can also see how our portfolio is doing, because, for example, we've got these digital security ETFs as well. And we see a lot of different shares of ETFs, a lot of different ETFs. So probably there's something that you want to invest in. You can find it in here. So that's very cool. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. Subscribe to keep updated on our portfolio and how we're investing in the future as well. And we'll see you in the next one. Let's go.